we are going to revise what we have learned last week, right? So we have learned that the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. We learned cells can be of different shapes and sizes. Cells are organisms can be made up of a single cell or many cells, right? They are called unicellular or multicellular organisms respectively. Right? We also learned that the structure and function of the cell and main components of the cell. What are the components of the cell? They are cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and cell wall. A cell can be of different shapes. Let us study some particular cells from the human body. Take notes on the sizes of the cells as well as we will discuss them about, right? So for this I am going to show you one CRL. Let us see that and try to understand about the cell shapes and their functions, right? Each of the diagram shown here represents a different type of cells. You can see here the diagram, it shows different type of cells. What differences do you observe amongst these cells? These cells have different shapes and colors, right? Let us observe each of these cells one by one. What do you observe in this cell? It is a red blood cell or RBC. Its structure is, the color of the blood cell is red. They have disc-like structure. They do not have a nucleus. Size of a red blood cell is 0.6 micrometer in diameter, right? Function of red blood cell is they can carry oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. What does the structure help the cell perform its function? The disc shape helps the cell move fast. Since the RBC is a flexible and small cell, it can move easily and quickly. The absence of a nucleus increases the amount of space in the cell, thereby increasing the amount of oxygen the cell can carry. What do you observe here? It is a white blood cell. So what is the structure of this? Number one, white blood cells are pale white in color. The boundary of the cell does not have a fixed shape. It is flexible, hence the cells are irregularity in shape. It contains a nucleus. Size of a white blood cell is 15 micrometer in diameter. It is about 25 times bigger than the red blood cell. Function of the white blood cell is it fights and kills the infectious cells. How does the structure of the WBC help it kill the infectious cells? The answer is the flexibility of WBC helps it move easily through the blood vessels and reach the site of infection. Since it is irregularly shaped, it can change shape to engulf infections and kill them. The presence of nucleus in the cell is important for the control and coordination of its actions. What do you observe here? It is a muscle cell. What is the structure? Muscle cells are long and cylindrical in shape. Muscle cells are found in bundles. Size of the muscle cell is 10 to 50 micrometer wide and 1 to 40 long. The width of the muscle cell is comparable to the white blood cell, but its length is about 1000 times more. Function of the muscle cell. Muscle cell help with the movement of different body parts by contracting and relaxing. Why muscle cells are long? Why are they found in bundles? Answer is long muscle cells can easily contract and relax. Body parts need a lot of energy to move. The existence of many muscle cells in the bundles help provide energy to the site of the movement. What do you observe in this diagram? It is a nerve cell, right? What is the structure of the nerve cell? Nerve cells are long and thin. They have branched endings. Size of the nerve cell. The diameter can vary between 4 to 100 micrometer and the length between 2.5 centimeter to 1 meter. It can be up to 25 times longer than the muscle cell. Now the function of the muscle cell. Muscle cell help with the movement of the different body parts by contracting and relaxing, right? Function of the nerve cell. Nerve cell control and coordinate the functions of the different parts of the body by sending and receiving messages. How does the structure help the cell perform its function? Nerve cells are long and thin, which allow them to transmit signals to distant parts of the body. The branches help the cell collect and transmit multiple signals. Cells vary in shapes and sizes. The shape of the cell depends upon the function that it performs. For example, the function of white blood cell is to kill infections. Therefore, it is flexible and irregularly shaped so that it can move easily in the blood vessels to the site of infection.